Amazon doesn't mess around when it comes to rules. If you're making over $10,000 a month, they now require business insurance. And yes, they'll check. You need general liability coverage of at least $1 million. And you need to list Amazon as an additional insured on your policy. This isn't optional, it's mandatory to keep selling. I checked out a few providers, but honestly, Next Insurance was the fastest and most Amazon friendly I found. Their quote process took under 10 minutes, and I could instantly generate the certificate Amazon wanted. If you're still shopping for insurance or trying to stay compliant, I 100% recommend giving Next a shot. Use the link in the description to get your quote and get covered today.